I'm going to basically take the files coming into Vault, the binders. Once they reach a certain status, I'm going to merge all the contents of that binder, meaning converting them to PDF first individually, merging them together. It's then going to do some content detection, remove some guidance text, for example, from the documents. It's going to add a TOC for the entire collection of documents, add a cover page, add some pagination, and then ensure the results are compliant before exporting the results out. So that's what the workflow is going to do. So if I come back here and look at my sample binder I have. So again, this is a simple binder, but of course you could have binders with subfolders and things in them as well, or subcategories, subsections in them. That's all fine. It could be different file formats. You could have Excels, images, etc. This one just has 7 individual Word documents in it. That's all it is. And again, the trigger is set that when I change this to DS Ready for this binder, DocShifter is going to know that it should pick that binder up and treat the collection of documents. So that'll all take place in the background for you. And what I should see is very quickly that this becomes in process, which means DocShifter is processing the file. And within a few seconds, I should get the results as well. So it's in process. This is a little bit more because it's merging 7 files together, rendering each of them, merging them, adding multiple elements, TOCs, pagination, etc. too. Now it's DS in review. That means it's finished. It's now in the lifecycle state beyond the processing for the person to now review the results. Now, in the case of a binder, there's no concept of a rendition for a binder, but you can see where the results are in these relationships. We create a relationship to the output directly here. So if you look under supporting documents, the results are created as a new object in Vault. And I could see that where it is here. If I look under supporting documents, I can link directly to it from here as well. I could see that directly here. If I go to my documents, I could see the document in here as well. Okay. So if I open that up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to download that to open it because you see a little bit more detail. Sorry, if I go to download the PDF, I'm just going to take that file, the 2.6 test binder. So this is the binder I just sent to be processed. It's added a cover page at the beginning, including some bits of metadata in here, including the author, the health authority. For example, there may be, in some cases, more than one volume, more than one PDF file created. So you can show this is volume 1 of X, 2 of X, etc. I've added some simple pagination at the bottom, page 1 of 89. Again, it's a small report here. I've added a TOC that covers the collection of documents. So it's merged all the documents together in here. I've got pagination, etc. as well. Okay. So that's basically what I've got over here. And for some reason, my Acrobat is playing up. I think it's just about to crash. Yeah, I'm going to close all my tabs here. I'm going to open that up again. Here we go. Sorry, Acrobat was playing up for me. Curse to the demo. But on top of that, it's also created all the bookmarks across all of my documents. So I've got, 2.6, the 2.6.2, all of those. Again, I told it to open up to level 2. You could tell it only open up to the first level. Just in this case, I told it to open up the first 2 levels, and that was it. Okay. But it's done all of that automatically. So you can use it to automatically generate reports. If you can just provide, all you have to provide is the collection of documents, and then DocShifter can go and do the rest. Render each document individually, merge everything together, add a cover page, add pagination, add whatever overlays you like, even automate some hyperlinking. All of that can be done automatically. So rather than you having to take that collection or use a publishing tool to do it interactively, you can just let that take place automatically in the background.